Hello everyone, I am Anup Agrawal and welcome to AI News, where we bring you the biggest AI stories from around the world in a simple and practical way. Today's headline is one that could impact every student, professional, entrepreneur, and business owner. AI safety expert Dr. Roman Yampolskiy has issued a bold warning about the future of work. He believes that as artificial general intelligence continues to advance, AI could automate the majority of today's jobs, including software development, content creation, customer service, accounting, data analysis, and many other knowledge based professions. He even suggests unemployment could reach unprecedented levels if AI develops faster than society can adapt. But here's the interesting part. According to Dr. Yampolskiy, the jobs most likely to remain are those where people specifically want a human. Not because AI can't do the work, but because they value genuine human interaction. Think of therapists, caregivers, teachers, artists, luxury consultants, relationship coaches, and personal advisors. These roles may continue because trust, empathy, and authentic human connection still matter. Even then, he believes these will become niche professions rather than the norm. A quick message from AI EDU Vista. The future doesn't belong to people who fear AI. It belongs to people who learn AI. At AI EDU Vista, I, Anup Agrawal, help students, professionals, teachers, and entrepreneurs master practical AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Notebook LM, AI agents, prompt engineering, automation, Canva AI, and the latest AI technologies through live, hands-on training. The goal isn't to compete against AI, it's to learn how to work with AI and stay valuable in tomorrow's workplace. Now, back to today's update. Dr. Yampolskiy also warns that AI safety must become a global priority. Building more powerful AI without solving alignment and safety challenges could create risks far beyond employment. His message is simple: prepare today because the future of work is changing faster than ever. I am Anup Agrawal and this is AI News. Thank you for watching. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in the next AI update with more exciting developments from the world of artificial intelligence.